Apatiye apatite tena apatia apatite ku apatito apatikut kut kut apatiye.
Halo semuanya, selamat malam. Pada pertemuan kali ini saya akan menjawab diskusi sesi keempat bagian kedua, yaitu tentang dialog using present tense. Berikut cakapan dialog tersebut. Hi El, what are you doing now? Hi father, I am working on homework from school. I am learning to read. That's good. What about your school today? What did you learn at school earlier? Earlier at school, I learned to get to know vocal letters, namely A, E, U, I, and O, and combined it into one sentence like DASE, read the T, so on. Wow, that's very good. I hope you are more active and enthusiastically learn to read it, and I promise to give you a gift if within 1 week you can read a few sentences and words. Is that really, father? I will definitely get it. Yes, alright. Please continue to study. Good luck.